Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. Stock number one for the current week of swing trading was Adani Power at 265. So here we go on the weekly chart. Where was the opening level? 265.20. Come on. Gapped up. Stock number one gapped up. Talking about second stock. LT Foods at 111? No, 101. So did not hit entry level. So that's it. On the daily chart of Indian hotels, we have a bullish breakout level above 260 rupees. As we can see, the major trend is an uptrend, and for the best part of 2 to 3 weeks, price was contracting as a result of lack of buying. Now the recovery has taken place from 230 rupees. I expect the stock price to keep on rising higher and higher and challenge the round number level of 300 rupees. We are going to finish it off with Madhya Bharat Agro Products Limited. On the daily chart, we also have a bullish breakout level above 470 rupees. The price action is almost similar to that of Indian hotels. The stock price is rising higher and higher throughout the course of last 2 to 3 months. If you pay attention to this particular bullish candle, it has a long wick at the top end implying selling pressure. So because of that, the support level is established somewhere around 370 rupees, and the price is currently rising higher, and it has almost matched the previous high of 470 rupees, which means buyers are at it again, and any bullish momentum above 470 rupees can take the stock price easily above the round number of 500 rupees.